Okay, to start making this easy pumpkin pie recipe, I'm starting with 15 ounces of pumpkin puree. I'm using canned pumpkin puree for this today, which is another reason why it's so easy. I'm going to add 2 large eggs, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon and a half of pumpkin pie spice, and give it a mix. If you do not have the pumpkin pie spice mix, you can use 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. You could adjust the ratios to that. So this is mixed well. I'm going to set aside and show you what I do with this pie shell. So I am already baking a pie in the oven and I just use the pie shell from the store. But this one is kind of broken, so I thawed it and I'm going to basically put Humpty Dumpty back together again. I'm going to press it into my pie plate. And once it's all back together, I'm going to put it in the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes. You want to work with a very cold or frozen pie shell. So now that it's cold and frozen, I'm going to add my pumpkin pie mix into the pie shell. And I'm baking this in a preheated oven for 15 minutes only at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. After 15 minutes, I'm going to drop the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and continue cooking for another 35 to 40 minutes. And here's the one I just put in. But the second one is almost done, and it looks like this. And I left that in the pie shell that came from the store. But once it's done, you'll want to let your pumpkin pies set for at least 1 to 2 hours. This is great to do the night before. And take a look at that crust. It did break. It's okay. It's going to taste good. And here is the second pumpkin pie. You can garnish with what you like. Whipped cream is popular, and it tastes great. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.